Let's practice reading words with the word team E-E-P. Together, these letters say EEP. Let's read some words. Add B and it says B, EEP, beep. Add D and it says D, EEP, D, EEP, deep. Add J and it says J, EEP, J, EEP, jeep. Add K and it says K, EEP, K, EEP, keep. Add P and it says P, EEP, EEP, peep. Add W and it says W, EEP, W, EEP, weep. Add CR and it says EEP, creep, creep. Add SL and it says SLEEP, sleep, sleep. Add SH and it says EEP, sheep, sheep. Add ST and it says EEP, EEP, steep. Add SW and it says SWEEP, sweep, sweep. Let's read some sentences. I watched the Jeep creep up the steep hill. I watched the Jeep creep up the steep hill. The Jeep beeped and the sheep did not make a peep. Thank you for reading with me. Follow the links for more practice. Please like and subscribe.